Welcome to Medicaid Myths 101, where we debunk some of the more common misconceptions concerning Medicaid financial qualification and the protection of assets. Hi, I'm Joe Mitchell with the Financial Aid Center for Long-Term Care, home of the Medicaid Asset Protection Plan and MedicaidHelp.com, where we've been helping America's seniors protect assets from Medicaid since 1995. Today we're going to talk about myth number 4, which goes something like this. If you're married, you have to spend down half or more of your assets before your spouse can qualify for Medicaid. What may surprise you to know is that Medicaid does not require that you actually spend down anything before qualifying. What Medicaid may require, assuming that your countable assets exceed your particular state's limits, is that you reduce your countable assets, often by 50% or more. But the term is reduce, not spend down. Now, you're certainly free to accomplish the required reduction by actually spending down your assets, but it is not a requirement. There are a number of different strategies you can use to accomplish some or all of the required reduction without actually spending down. In fact, we've identified at least 17 different strategies you may be able to use to accomplish qualification without actually losing the value of your assets. Let me tell you about one that most people have never heard of. Under certain circumstances, a married couple may be able to avoid a spend down altogether by simply borrowing temporarily against their home's equity, applying for Medicaid, and then quickly repaying with the same money. It's not that complicated, but extremely effective. And that's only one of many possible strategies. Unfortunately, most couples actually end up spending down their savings and other assets simply because they have no clue that they even have a choice. The key, of course, is getting yourself educated on the subject. But again, the bottom line is that in most cases, you don't have to actually spend down your money in order to qualify for Medicaid. I don't care what you've been told. Thanks for listening. Please join us again soon for another session of Medicaid Myths 101. In the meantime, these and many other issues are addressed at www.medicaidhelp.com.